Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is Lhorsef Lifes, and for today's video is another product review about this travel kit. So if you're interested, please stay and watch this video. Alright guys, so it's summer and usually we are planning to go outside, and of course para malesen yung mga dala natin, so I'm introducing or recommend this product for your skincare, this Benton Travel Kit. So the packaging is very minimalistic. I like the box because it's very useful. You can put some of your stuff here. You can use also as a box for a gift, right? So it's very good and very eco-friendly. Yeah, so I like this packaging. And so let's have this, also this bag. So this plastic or this pouch have named A Journey Back in Time with Benton. So this one from Benton Cosmetics. So have 7 product inside. So if you're worried about your skincare, to have a minimal skincare, so I recommend this Benton Cosmetics for your travel kit. So I'm gonna share with you what is inside this pouch. So of course the first one is this Aloe Propolis Soothing Gel. Is dermatologically tested, and this one is 30 ml. This one, cute pouch. This Aloe Propolis Soothing Gel is tested under dermatological control. The product contains aloe vera rich in polysaccharides and propolis extract. Well known for its soothing properties, the soothing gel leaves skin refreshed and hydrated. It helps you to hydrate your face, in this aloe vera. So you know that aloe vera helps to moisturize our skin. So next is this Benton Honest Cleansing Foam. So this cleansing foam is usually we use it for cleaning. So this one is cute packaging. It's color white, and this is the ingredients you can be assured of formulated with plant oil derived natural surfactants. Benton Honest Cleansing Foam midly cleansing fatigue skin caused by virus, stress, and pollution. This face cleanser not only cleanses but further moisturizer and minimizing skin tightness. So it is good because not only for cleansing but helps to moisturize your skin. So for on this summer, so we need to always moisturize our skin. And next is this Aloe BHA Skin Toner. So this one I'm using right now. So this one, I have a review on this toner. So from the toner that I'm using, this is the second time that I use this Aloe BHA Skin Toner from Benton. It really helps a lot, have extra soothing effect on my skin. So and help also to help my skin really moisturize. So I'm using this BHA Skin Toner. Yeah, this one have also aloe vera extract, so it's really help to moisturize our skin, this one, and easy to apply also, and it's normal scent only. And next is this Snail BEE high content essence. So actually guys, this is my first time to use an essence, and yeah, this product, it helps also your skin, improve your skin complexion, the essence. And also this essence helps to keep your skin hydrated and smooth. So this one. And next is this tea tree cleansing water. So what is the cleansing water? So this is my first time also to use the cleansing water. So this cleansing water is you can use is as to clean or to make your cleanser, and also you can use this to remove your makeup as makeup remover. So this one, so cute. So because I'm using makeup now, so I'll be using this later. And if you are tired at work, for example, so you cannot wash your face, so you can use only this tea tree cleansing water. Have this tea tree leaf water and tea tree leaf oil. This cleansing water immediately cleanse your skin, leaving skin refreshed and calm. And next is Benton Fermentation Eye Cream. So this is my first eye cream. So where we can use the eye cream, it's not only derived from the eye, so you can use in the eye. Guys, don't use it inside the eyes because on the side you can see that it's eye cream. But this eye cream is you can use it outside of your eyes to have a smooth and youthful eye areas, to remove some dark spots here, and also for your wrinkles and some fine lines. So this is good. The Benton Fermentation Eye Cream. So you want to be a youthful, so use this eye cream. And of course, lastly, have the Snail BEE High Content Steam Cream. So I usually use cream on the last part of my skincare. So this cute cream helps you to moisturize your skin. Yeah, and this is the packaging. It's called High Steam. So it has the high steam and it's easy to blend. Also have a high temperature using steam method, provides long-lasting moisture. This cream helps to keep your skin moisturized and smooth. So this is the 7 product of the travel kit or Benton Travel Kit. So guys, if you want to have this product, you can find it on yesstyle. I will put the link on the description box so that you can check and this product. And of course, if you want to purchase, you can use my reward code Lhorsef28 for you to avail additional discount. So guys, I'll be doing another review about my day and night skincare using this Benton Travel Kit. So I just showing you this product because I'm so excited using this product and it's set already. So it's less than your budget, and of course it's less than your time. Have your space on your travel bags. So I would like to thank yesstyle for giving me a chance to use this Benton Travel Kit, and it's very helpful because we're going to travel this week. So this is one, and I will be doing the review about this product itself. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Again, this is Lhorsef Lifes, and hope you watch some of my product review, and thank you for supporting me. God bless and keep safe, everyone.